Are you an entrepreneur who dreams of traveling the world while building your business? Taking a gap year might be the perfect solution for you. A gap year is a year-long break from the conventional routine of work or study to explore the world and pursue personal interests. Here are some tips on how to make the most of your gap year as an entrepreneur. 1. Plan ahead. Before embarking on your journey, it's important to plan ahead. Identify your goals and the countries you want to visit. Research the business landscape in those countries and identify potential partners or clients. Have a clear plan for your business and travel itinerary to make the most of your time. 2. Build connections. One of the greatest benefits of travel is the opportunity to meet new people and build connections. Attend networking events and conferences related to your industry to meet like-minded entrepreneurs and potential clients. Take advantage of social media to connect with local business owners and establish relationships that can help your business grow. 3. Embrace the local culture. Immerse yourself in the local culture to gain a deeper understanding of the market and the people you're trying to reach. Learn the language, try local cuisine, and participate in cultural events. This can help you build trust with potential clients and differentiate yourself from competitors who are not as culturally aware. 4. Find inspiration. Traveling can provide endless inspiration for your business. Keep a journal and document your experiences and observations. These can serve as a source of inspiration for new product ideas, marketing campaigns, or business strategies. 5. Be open to opportunities. Being open to opportunities is key when traveling. You never know who you'll meet or what opportunities will arise. Stay flexible and open to new ideas and experiences. It's also important to take risks and embrace uncertainty, as this is often where the greatest opportunities lie. 6. Prioritize self-care. Traveling can be stressful, especially when running a business on the road. Prioritize self-care by taking breaks, practicing meditation or yoga, and maintaining a healthy diet and exercise routine. Taking care of yourself will help you maintain focus and avoid burnout. 7. Stay connected. Staying connected to your business and clients is important, even when on the road. Use tools like video conferencing, email, and project management software to stay connected with your team and clients. This will help ensure that your business continues to thrive even when you're away. In conclusion, taking a gap year can be an incredible opportunity for entrepreneurs to travel the world, gain new perspectives, and build their businesses. By planning ahead, building connections, embracing local culture, finding inspiration, being open to opportunities, prioritizing self-care, and staying connected, you can make the most of your gap year and take your business to new heights.